Hey everyone, I'm Nicole, an occupational therapist, and together with Stephanie, the physical therapist, we make up the Note Ninjas. We are a PT and OT duo teaching other therapists and students how to document more efficiently and come up with better treatment ideas for better outcomes for our patients. So today I wanted to go over some hand squeezes. So I have two different balls here. Now, this may seem pretty simple, but just kind of changing just one little thing about this activity can help bring on brand new skills. So I have two different balls, two different textures. Now, this small handball, it's soft. Okay, so this is great for building hand strength for our patients, grip strength, and it is still providing somewhat of a sensory input because it's soft. We can also use a more firm ball as well if we want to really work on that increased grip strength. However, what we recommend is incorporating a more textured ball. So we love this one. It has spikes on it, and it really just adds some sensory input for a tactile cue, and it feels really good too. So we love the texture of it. There's also a light on it. Let's see if I can get it to go. So this is great for children if you want to help sustain their attention to the task. They're really interested with the light. Even with someone with dementia, if it's not overstimulating for them, it's a good idea. But the good thing about this ball is like you could turn the light on and off. But we just love the texture feeling in our hands. And with ball squeezes, there's so many different variations of it. So you could just squeeze like so with your hand supinated. You could do it pronated. You can squeeze your hand together for bilateral coordination. We could do some pinching for some pincer grasp. We could do rolling. And once again, this is just adds some nice sensory input right there for sensory awareness. We can roll it up our palms. So there's just so many different activities that you could just do with these little balls than just the basic ball squeeze. So we hope that this helps. And make sure you're documenting if you are adding in that sensory ball, make sure that you are documenting that in your notes. So patient performed ball squeezes with added texture in ball in order to increase sensory stimulation. So we hope that helps. For more documentation, tips, and treatment ideas, make sure to follow the Note Ninjas.